Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Naomi Jemtai. For those who are new here, what are you waiting for? Please click the subscription button, and for the returning subscribers, continue watching my videos, and thank you so much. Welcome. So today guys, I want to show you how we wash the containers which are very dirty, 20 liter and 10 liter containers. So guys, come with me. So guys, I want to show you how dirty these containers are. You can see they are really very dirty. You can look at them. They are really in a very awkward situation. So I want to show you the ingredients that we are going to use to wash. But first, before I show you the ingredients, I want to go and get water from the well so that we can wash. So guys, come with me. So this is the well where you are going to get our water from for washing the container. So guys, welcome. So this is how we get water in Africa. You can see this is the well where we get water from, and that's our water. So guys, let's go now and start washing. So guys, let me show you the ingredients that we are going to use. So we have the sand. Sand is going to be washed, to be used like this, to use the inside part, to wash the inside part. This is the sand. You mix them with the cones like this, and then you add the liquid soap. This is the liquid soap, like this. And then now you add your water like this, and then we have a stick here and this one here. We are going to insert inside here, and there you go. You will wash like this. Okay guys, when it's almost clean, and then you check like this. And then you transfer the ingredients to another one. And then you wash it again like this. And then now we want to use this steel wool. It's called Narisha to wash the outside part of it. So guys, come with me and let me show you what to do. Okay, let's start with this one. So outside we are using the solid soap, not the just that. can see we are using the steel wire, and it's really making it sparkling clean. So let's continue washing. So you have to confirm that it's really becoming clean. So guys, we are almost done. We are now rinsing our containers. You can see now. They are now sparkling clean. You can see, guys, they were really very, very dirty. They were making me to lose my confidence, but now I have regained my confidence. So guys, let's see. You can see, guys, they are really very, very clean. So guys, you can see, it really makes me so confident. They are really very clean. You look at them earlier, they are very dirty. So they are now clean, both inside and outside. So guys, you've seen the ingredients. So whenever you want to wash your containers, 20 liters and 10 liters, which have really pre-shame in the compound, you can do this, guys. You can see now they are very, very clean. Very, very clean. So now, guys, that's the end of our video today. If you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just go to my YouTube channel and hit on the subscription button, guys. Until the next video, bye, guys.